me show you what these boys are up to. It is literally pouring down. And well, look at them. At least my husband's not getting super soaked. But my youngest son thinks it's fine. You know, he's like, it's only rain, Mom. It's all good if I get soaked and wet. You think that's normal? You're soaked and wet. It's just a shower. Okay. Because fishing in the rain is underrated or overrated? When one of those coconuts fall and hits you on your noggin, that's the size of a coconut, there you go, that's what you do. I can't with these guys. I'm gonna go keep myself dry. No more fishing in the rain.